One of the most delightful and satisfying flowers to grow are alliums. These giant flowers are said to symbolize good fortune, prosperity, and patience. In fact, I actually grew this one in my backyard and I dried it so that every time I look at it during dark winter days, I can have patience that spring is on its way. So our new pattern this week was inspired by these stunning flowers. This pattern is called Allium and it's by Johanna Huck, and it includes a cowl, an adorable little headband, and you get fingerless mitts. These are so precious. I love them so much. I really love the little flower petal border that's on the top and bottom of each piece. The cowl features these gorgeous little stems and leaves which just pop off the background. And then of course you have the beautiful actual flower. The headband has little blooming allium flowers that go all the way around. And the mitts have stockinette and reverse stockinette stitch, and also that beautiful leaf and stem and flower motif vining down the wrist. It's so beautiful. You can see how the design looks in both a speckled and a semi-solid yarn. Super cute either way. We used our enduring worsted weight yarn for this, which is a great all-around worsted weight yarn. It's soft, it's snuggly, and it really makes beautiful defined stitches, so those leaves and stems just appear to pop off the background. To download this pattern and get the yarn, you can head to expressionfiberarts.com, and while you're there, make sure to sign up for email updates so you get weekly free knit and crochet patterns. Today, I'm going to show you how to work this beautiful little flower petal border you're going to find along the top and bottom of each piece. It will be a great way to start other projects too, like scarves, blankets, or shawls. To work the flower petal border, round one, you're actually going to knit around, so I've already done that. So let's move on to round two. Round two is nice and easy. You just repeat around, knit one, purl seven. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and continue repeating that. Knit 1, purl 7, all the way around. 6, 7. For round 3, you're going to slip one with the yarn in back, so make sure your yarn is back there and go ahead and slip that stitch. Now you're going to knit 1, yarn over 7 times. Knit 1, yarn over, knit 2, yarn over, there's 3, yarn over, 4, yarn over, 5, yarn over, 6, yarn over, 7, yarn over. And continue repeating that around. Slip 1 with yarn in back, knit 1, yarn over, knit, yarn over, that's 2, 3, yarn over, 4, yarn over, 5, yarn over, 6, yarn over, 7, yarn over, and continue around. For round 4, we're going to start with a knit 1 and a yarn over. Now we're going to slip 7, dropping all the yarn overs as we come to them. So slip, drop, 2, drop, 3, drop, 4, drop, 5, drop, 6, drop, 7, drop. Then you're going to slide those 7 back to your left needle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and then you're going to knit those 7 through the back loop. So insert your right needle into the back loop, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So into the back, make sure you've got 7, and then knit those through the back loop. So you've kind of clustered them all together. Then you're going to work a yarn over and continue repeating those stitches all the way across to make your little clusters. Knit 1, yarn over, slip the next 7, dropping all the yarn overs. 1, slip, 2, 3, drop, 4, drop, 5, drop, 6, drop, 7, drop. And all of those go back on the left-hand needle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And knit them through the back loop and continue repeating that around and yarn over. For round 5, we're just going to knit front and back in each stitch around. So knit into the front of that stitch, knit into the back, knit into the front, knit into the back. So you're basically turning one stitch into two. So we're getting our stitch count back up. Front and back, and just repeat that all the way around. So when you repeat that all the way around, you're gonna get these cute little flower petals that dance along your borders. So that's how easy it is to work this beautiful flower petal border. And throughout the rest of the pattern, you're gonna find some cute little bobbles, you got some easy cable, some eyelet lace, so it's gonna keep your interest throughout. It's a really fun project. I hope you adore this set, and I can't wait to see what colors you choose. Happy knitting, and I am gonna see you next week with another new pattern. Toodles!